If you want to track daily attendance through Google Meet, you can use this template that I've put together. To use it, the first thing that you need to do is load your class list on the Class List tab. If you want, you can do it by class period and make a different template for each period, or you could start here and do period 1 and then list your period 1 students, and then down lower, list your period 2 students, etc. So you can organize this in any way that you want to. An easy way to get your class names and email addresses is to pull it from Schoology. I've added a tab that's called Generate Email Addresses. To put your student names and usernames in here, you're going to go to your Schoology gradebook. Then in the upper right-hand corner, you'll click the 3 dots, the More option, and then choose Export. On the next screen, you'll click Gradebook as CSV and then click Next. This will download an Excel sheet with your students' grades, but it also contains your student names and their username. So here we can keep their first and last name, and we can delete all of the other columns in between and just leave the very last column that has their username. Now we can copy and paste this directly into the template to get their names. So while I'm on the spreadsheet, I'm going to highlight and copy the first, last, and username. So I'm going to go back to the template and I'm going to paste in that first name, last name, and username, and you'll see that it auto-generates their name and email address. Now I can copy and paste that data into my Class List tab. But to do that, you're going to want to click on Edit, Paste Special, and then choose Paste Values Only. And here you'll have an alphabetical list of all students in your class. You only have to do this one time to get all of your classes set up and ready to go. Now, anytime you have a Google Meet, you'll get the Meet attendance spreadsheet in your email, and that looks like this. From there, you're just going to copy the email addresses that are listed by selecting them and then choosing Command or Control-C. On the correct date, you're going to paste in the email addresses of the students who were present in your Meet, and then when you go back to the Class List tab, you'll see that any student that was present has a green check mark next to their name, and those who are not have a red X. For each date, you just continue to copy and paste that data into the Paste Attendance Emails tab, and it will mark your attendance for you. To change the dates for quarter 3, if you go to the Change Dates tab, here's where you'll update the dates and it'll automatically change them on the other tabs. To make it easier, if you click on the quarter 3 and 4 dates to copy and paste, for quarter 3, you can copy and paste the dates that are here onto the Change Dates tab, and it will auto-update everything for you, and then you'll have a spreadsheet that's ready for quarter 3. Repeat the same process for quarter 4.